Hey, this is Eddie with Multiman Services. We just got wrapped up here doing a roof and gutter cleaning, exterior skylight cleaning, and outdoor, indoor premium window clean. But while I'm up here, I thought I would go over the details of how everything went with the roof cleaning, the good and the bad, everything that I noticed with your roof. Looks like a very straight, good install. All the rows are in good succession. The shingles are staying down pretty good. They're not being pulled up. They're glued down really well. Sometimes you can, pull them up with your finger. Shingle is performing well. Now, this roof has been suffering from shade and heavy algae, lichen moss for years. And you can see these craters right in here. These lichens that grow and then die off, and then the rain washes it away. So this is definitely something we want to stay on top of. So I would say every few years to put some sort of antifungal treatment on your roof, like Wet and Forget or all kinds of products on the market. But now that we've killed everything off, we're going to let it dry up. We're going to let the hard rains wash it off. There are a few spots where I'm noticing maybe where the plywood joints are kind of slightly spongy in a few areas. They're not nailed down proper. There's a little spot right here I'm going to step on. But I mean, it's not terrible. I'm very impressed with the condition of the roof. I want to keep it that way. And just going over the whole roof, it's pretty similar circumstances all throughout. A lot of pitting over there in the shingles. Got these skylights looking nice and shiny. So definitely a lot of pitting over here. A loss of the top coat, the aggregate or gravel, and that's just because of moss was allowed to grow here. It dies and then it just peels off and it rips all that gravel with it. Now the sun is just going to beat away at that asphalt and further dry up the shingle. Here's an area where I'm kind of concerned with the shingle. You see this little bump right here, put my foot on it. So it's kind of coming up. Not too concerning right now. My suggestion at this point would to follow up with a reconditioning treatment to hydrate the shingles, to help them expand and contract, help the seal strips stay glued down, and prevent any further gravel loss. A couple of brackets are broken here. You can see this one here. Photos, if you take a look at those, you'll see this gutter here, I'm assuming, had some pretty serious ice damming issues. There's no brackets here in this section. We need to have like 3 or more right here. This one is broken, or needs a screw, I mean. And then this plumbing boot here, this rubber gasket, it needs some sealant and a rubber boot around it. I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. It's part of our roof cleaning service. No extra cost. I'll also bring a few brackets up and replace a few of those right now. Extra bonus. Thanks for having me here. Window cleaning is going well, so I'll take you around and show you that. Windows super shiny. I think you're going to be super happy with the windows. I see a drastic improvement on the windows here. Everything looks really good there. This is what I was talking about. There's just a few spots that have some sap and a handful of spots that have some paint. But unless you're really looking for it, you don't really see it. Overall, windows very, very clean and good to go. Don't want to cause any damage with any razoring or over scraping. But here's an example of us cleaning out the tracks. I'll show you how we go about doing that. Open each window up individually, and we do a 2-part process where we wipe the frames down really well with a wet rag, tops and bottoms. And then make sure we not touch the glass, because that's nice and clean already. And detail the tracks down below. Sorry for the longer video, but just hope that we can show you, you know, all that that goes into making your window tracks and screens really clean. So this is just the first step where we wipe everything down with that damp rag and then follow behind with the dry rag. Any questions you have about our service, please don't hesitate to call or text me on my personal cell, and we'll take care of it right away. We're good to go here. I do suggest the gutter tune-up. We have some good raindrop gutter guard solutions. I'll send you a video on that. That might be a good option to keep stuff out of your gutters and not have to continually pay for gutter cleaning. And we suggest the roof conditioning treatment. So make a proposal, I'll email it to you, and hopefully we can help you out here in the future. Thanks so much.